morning, students. Students, today I will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, addition and subtraction of higher numbers. Okay, so first of all, what we will discuss? We'll discuss about adding 3-digit number with regrouping. Okay, so suppose any 3-digit number is there. Okay, now my dear students, suppose any 3-digit number is there, 432, and we have to add this 432 with 123. So before adding any 3-digit number, first of all we'll identify the place value of each digit. So now this one is ones, we know that this one is tens, and this one is what? 100. Okay, so always remember, we'll start adding the number from ones place value. From this side we'll start adding. Okay, now see, in ones place value 2 and 3 is there. So 2 plus 3, it will be how much? Very good, it will be 5. Now 3 plus 2, it will be how much? Very good, it will be 5. Now see, in 100 place value 4 and 1 is there. So 4 plus 1, it will be how much? Again 5, right? So our answer is what? 555. Okay, so I hope you have understood how we can add any 3-digit number without regrouping. Okay, so we'll start from the ones place value, then tens place value, and then we'll proceed to 100 place value. Okay, so now we'll see some questions that are given in your book. Okay, students, now open page number 200, exercise 1, that is given. So here we have to add this 3-digit number. Okay. Okay, now see the first one. So here we have to add this one. So we'll start adding from ones place value, right? So 5, this one is 5 and this one is 2. So 5 plus 2, it will be how much? 7, right? Okay, now see tens place value, because our ones place value is over, right? So now we'll proceed to our tens place value. Now in tens place value 2 and 1 is there. So okay, so 2 plus 1, it will be how much? 3, right? Okay, now see 100 place value. So 3 plus 3, it will be how much? 6, right? Okay, now see B part. So we'll start adding from ones place value. Again 3 plus 2, it will be how much? 5, right? Now see tens place value, 5 plus 1, it will be how much? 6. Now see 100 place value, 6 plus 2, it will be how much? 8. So our answer is what? 865. Okay. Okay, so like this only you have to do this C and D part, okay, in your class copy. Okay. Okay, now we'll see E part. So see, in E part, one is 3-digit number is given and the another one is what? 2-digit number. So you just always remember that we'll write the number. Suppose this one is the number 562. Okay, so we'll write the 2-digit number or 1-digit number from the ones place value. We'll start writing from the ones place value. Okay, so suppose our number is what? 35. Okay, so we know that this one is ones, this one is tens. So we'll put this 5 in ones place value and we'll put this 3 in tens place value. Like this only, we'll write any number. Okay, if one number is 3-digit number and another number is 2-digit number, we'll write it like this. Okay, now see, this one is ones, tens, 100, right? So we'll start adding from ones place value. So 5 plus 2, it will be how much? 7, right? 6 plus 3, it will be how much? See the tens place value? 9. Now see, in 100 place value only 5 is there, right? So we'll put this 5 directly. So our answer will be what? 597. Okay, so this F part you will do it by yourself. This one is also classwork. Okay, now see G part. So ones, tens, 100. So see the ones place value, 0 and 0 is there. 0 plus 0, it will be 0, right? Now see in tens place value, 0 plus 0, it will be again 0. Now see in 100 place value, 4 and 5 is there. So 4 plus 5, it will be how much? 9, right? Okay, now see H part. See in ones place value, 0 and 5 is there. So 0 plus 5, if we add any number with 0, we'll get the same number, right? So we'll get 5. Now see in tens place value, 2 plus 2, it will be how much? 4. Now see in 100 place value, 1 plus 7, it will be how much? 8. So our answer will be what? 845. Okay, so I hope you have understood how we can add any 3-digit number, okay, without regrouping. Okay, now see I part that is given. So the question is what? Mohan has 2 stamp album. One album has 206 stamps. The other album has 343 stamps. How many stamps does Mohan have in all? So suppose this one is stamp album. So in one album, it's having how much stamps? 206, right? And this one is another stamp album. So here how many stamps are there? 343 stamps are there. So in total how many stamps are there? So what we have to do? We have to add these two number, right? In order to find the total number, right? Total number of stamps. So we'll add these two numbers, 206 plus 343. Now this one is ones, tens and 100. So we'll adding the ones place value, right? We'll start adding this ones place value. So see, 6 plus 3, it will be how much? 9. Now see tens place value, 4 and 5 is there. 4 plus 0 is there. So 0 plus 4, it will be how much? 4, right? Now see 100 place value, 2 and 3 is there. So 2 plus 3, it will be how much? 5. So total how many stamps are there? 549 stamps are there with Mohan. Right? Okay. Okay, now see J part. So John got 337 marks in the half yearly exam. He got 452 marks in the final exam. How many marks did he get in all in 2 exams? So this much of marks he got in half yearly and this much of marks he got in final exam. So total how many marks he got? So what we will do? We'll add these two numbers, or I can say the marks, right? So 337 and 452, these two will add it in order to find out the total marks. So see, 1s, 10s, 100. So 7 plus 2, it will be how much? 9. 3 plus 5, it will be how much? See the tens place value? 8. Now see the 100 place value? 3 plus 4, it will be how much? 7. Right? Okay, then that's all for today.